Bro, I'm so tired of all these dhongi influencers selling us the idea that long distance relationships are not that bad. In fact, they're better because they make you self-sufficient, they make you strong, independent. Bullshit. They do not make you better, they make you a bitter person. जैसे केला घर में आते ही सड़ जाता है ना एकदम जल्दी से, उससे ज्यादा इंसान सड़ जाता है long distance में आके. See, I think I'm a fair and reasonable person, but ever since I've gotten into this long distance situation, I think I've become a psychotic bitch. Everything feels like cheating. Everything. Not even like कि ओ वो किसी दूसरी लड़की के साथ कुछ गुलू गुलू कर रहे, नहीं वो सब नहीं. It's more along the lines कि भाई इसने मेरे बिना मजे कैसे कर लिए, like इसको मेरे बिना मस्ती छा ही क्यों रही है. See, after I got laid off in the US, I had the opportunity to live with him for several months. So we were basically doing everything together, and we had all these plans to do all of these other things together. Every little thing, like trying a new ice cream flavor, going to watch a movie, taking a walk, going out and drinking alcohol, everything was our thing. Now when he's doing all of these things in my absence, I'm like, acha, अकेले अकेले बेटा, या तो अच्छा now you're doing our thing with somebody else. अच्छा, I see. सबसे बड़ा डिलेमा यार यही है ना कि अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो मस्ती करे क्योंकि मैं उसको दुखी नहीं देख सकती और वो मेरे बिना तो अब दुखी है ही. बट जो वो मस्ती करता है तब मुझे बुरा लगने लगता है. Like it's taking a lot for me to come and admit this. Before you come at me and start hating on me, just know that I apply the same standards to myself. Like one of the reasons why I don't go out so much, इतनी मस्ती पार्टी कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, because मुझे guilty लगता है bro. And I know for a fact that he wants me to do these things. He pushes me to do these things, but I just don't feel like doing these things. And even if I give it a chance and attempt to have fun, I'm still constantly thinking about him कि यार काश ये होता तो ज्यादा मजे आते. सबसे बड़ा झमेला ये हो रहा है कि I'm currently in Europe and every single dream destination that's been on my bucket list for years is just a bus ride away, okay? And I could easily go on the weekends, but I know for a fact that I won't, because guess what? I want to see these destinations for the first time with him, and I don't think he's gonna be able to come here for a long time, so I don't think I'm gonna go to these places. And I know you people will tell me to just live in the moment, and I completely agree with that, but मुझे पता है अगर मैं वहां चली गई ना यार तो मुझे मजे भी नहीं आएंगे, because मैं constantly सोचूंगी कि मुझे यहाँ ईशान के साथ आना था, मुझे नहीं आएंगे मजे. Do you look at this face and you think it's self-sufficient? No, not even about needing my boyfriend. I don't need him, but I want him, for fuck's sake. I want him to be here. So भाई अब यही घन चक्कर है कि जो मस्ती कर रहा है उसको मस्ती करने का गिल्ट हो रहा है कि मैं अपने पार्टनर के बिना इतनी मस्ती क्यों कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो मस्ती नहीं कर रहा घर पे बैठा है वो अपने पार्टनर को देख के बुरा मान रहा है कि मेरे बिना इतनी मस्ती क्यों कर रहा है. बट फिर अगर पार्टनर घर पे बैठ गया तो उसको बुरा लगेगा कि भाई शिट यार मैंने इसकी मस्ती खराब कर दी, अब ये घर पे डिप्रेस होके क्यों बैठा है. तो बेसिकली तुम खुश रह ही नहीं सकते.